So here is my garden, almost a half acre locating here, this garden. And here many trees here, different type of vegetables. First you can see the lot of banana trees here and other big trees, and here the mango tree, the two small mango tree, but a lot of mangoes are here. So here's the white hibiscus, and more beautiful. So all flowers are making my garden beautiful. So here is the one mango tree, and here is another one. So the same, it's very small one, but many mangoes are here. So look at this, how many mangoes are here. So look at that, it's really, you can take with the hands, even a kid they can reach these mangoes. And here many mangoes are here, a lot of mangoes. And this is a special kind of mango tree, and it's took only 3 years to grow up like this. So that's because of the greatest thing for this mango tree. So this also tapioca, this is a green one, and here some of the sweet tapioca, and here is the sweet tapioca, which we have many places here, in here, and that place also here. And here is a small pond to take the water from here to pouring for my garden. So even in the summertime, all trees are beautiful and greenish. So because of that, we are every evening we are poured the water, so that's why they are still greenish. Here also near the pond, there's a lot of green plants and grasses. So look at this, very beautiful. So in my garden, the beautiful thing is there are flowers. So this is a hibiscus flowers. We have hibiscus everywhere. We have different types of hibiscus. This is one red one, and here is the rose hibiscus. They are just starting to grow up.